Welcome back. Today, we're shrinking our tech down. We're deploying the Falcons.AI Weapon Detection Model to the tiny XIAO ESP32S3 Sense. We've got the board set up in the Arduino IDE. Despite its size, this board features an integrated camera and enough power to run optimized AI models. Our code integrates the detection model directly into the firmware and spins up a local web server to stream the results. Once the flash is complete, the XIAO becomes a completely standalone security node. Just like our larger kits, we can access the live feed via a web interface. It's hosting a local server right from the ESP32 chip. Check that out. Real-time detection on a device smaller than a thumb. We're leveraging the ESP32S3's AI acceleration to keep the frame rate smooth and responsive. At Falcons.AI, we're shrinking the future of security. Real-time detection is no longer just for big hardware. It's now small enough to fit anywhere. No more hardware limitations. From massive vision kits to micronodes, Falcons.AI is the new standard for edge security.